Igbos stay in your houses. You'll be used as an scapegoat. They will target you and they will waste you. Allow those who feel they can do it, let them go and do it. We'll be strong enough. For this protest, let us be weak. Please be weak now. Because they were looking for opportunity to slaughter you. Sit at home.
That was the part that broke my heart. They've been looking for an opportunity to slaughter you. Look at the kind of words he was using. Waste you, a scapegoat, slaughter you. As if he was talking to a goat, a chicken, a ram. That everybody is looking for an opportunity to slaughter and go and cook in their pot. That's how he has reduced his own people to chicken, meat, slaughter, wisdom. You know the import wisdom. That's more or less one Fulani cow is more important than the entire Igbo race. Because you know, fit waste. If you try waste Fulani cow, the whole village, that village will waste go wrong. To tell you how important a Fulani cow is. They are looking for opportunity to waste you. Do you know who is saying this? Deputy Speaker of the House of Representatives. If you count the hierarchy of power, like I think he's supposed to be like number 6 man or so. So you know, people or other people are looking for an opportunity to bring down your people, to waste your people, to slaughter your people. And yet, you've not brought it on the floor of the house to have a discussion about it with other parliamentarians. No, it shows you don't care. Rather, you tell them, make them stay house. For how long? Now, would you call yourself a leader? A true leader representing his people? No, I don't think so. Because if you be true leader, you will take action immediately. Because your people no be animal. Your people no be goats. For your mind, if you say, yes, you're talking to them, stay at home, it's for your safety, there were better ways to say it. If you had come out to tell us, come see, make sure you don't cause trouble, or please stay at home because this thing is going to be infiltrated, it's going to be hijacked. Better than coming out to tell your own people they'll be slaughtered. They are looking for opportunity to waste you. Don't be used, you'll be an scapegoat. What? You didn't talk to chicken? For me, this is a total act of cowardice. For how long are you going to be that subject where everybody is looking for an opportunity to bring you down? For how long are you going to be that subject? Everybody is waiting for an opportunity to waste you, to slaughter you, use you as an scapegoat. For how long are you going to be sitting at home? For how long? How long are you going to remain a coward? For how long?